Today, I'll be showing you how to turn off post notifications on your Instagram account. Now, these are basically notifications about posts you might have posted, or maybe comments on other people's posts and people have liked them, maybe some likes on your own posts, such kind of notifications. So what you want to do is simply launch Instagram and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile page. On the profile page, tap on the three dot button in the top right corner and then select settings and privacy. And then under settings and privacy, tap on notifications. Under notifications, you should see posts, stories, and comments. So tap on that. And this is where you can turn off all the post notifications that you don't want. So for instance, you have likes on your posts. So select off. Then you have likes and comments on photos of you. Turn that off. Now, if it's like this, maybe if you want to turn on notifications, so if it's like that, then you can just turn off from here. Okay, you have photos of you, you can turn them off like that. These are basically photos you've been tagged in, comments from such kind of photos. You can go ahead and turn all the options you want off and turn all of them off. Okay, so comments in daily digest, fast posts and stories, turn off. Notes, turn off. Add to post submissions, turn off. You can turn off all these post notifications all the way to the bottom of the page. So mention requests, you can turn all those off. Okay, so make sure you go through this list and turn off just what you need to turn off. All right, and that is basically how to turn off post notifications on your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.